Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking to organize all of those cords and charge a bunch of things at once, check out this power strip from Haiaoyyds. Now, what makes this particular power strip unique is that it clamps to the side of your desk or your nightstand or wherever you're setting it up. This means that it's out of the way, it's right on the edge of your space, but it is so functional. So it has one USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, and then 3 AC outlets. These are fast charging, so you can get everything all charged up quickly. Even the cord itself is really well designed. You can see just how heavy duty it is. It's a nice length, and the plug-in doesn't take up a lot of space. It does have 2 ways to use it. I like the clamp version. I don't have to make any holes in anything, but it also comes with this second option where you can screw it in. Overall, I'm really pleased with this power strip. It's space saving, it keeps me organized, and it allows me to do a whole bunch of things at once, which is always needed. And so I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.